Good day, everyone. I am Dr. Michael Cabiles, the head of the Campus Security Service here at ZPPSU. Allow me to walk you through how our security office operates. At the top of the organizational structure, we are under the university president in the person of Dr. Nelson Cabral. And under his leadership is the Vice President for Administration and Finance, which is Ma'am Josephine Sulasula. And directly under the BPAF are the security guards, headed by the head of Campus Security Service, which is yours truly. My primary role is to ensure the safety and security of all students, faculty, staff, as well as our visitors. I also oversee the daily operations of our force, enforce security protocols, and coordinate with units for risk management and emergency response. Supporting me are security consultants, tawag sa kanila supervising senior officers. They are composed of the director for general service and the supervising admin officer. So as of now, we have Sir Arian Montegrejo and our SAW, Sir Arnel H. Lee. Our personnel in the security is composed of job order security guards, company guards with plantilla positions, and the majority, which are the outsourced security guards from partner agency. Additionally, during large gathering and events, our guards are supported with the DRRMO marshals who assist in crowd control and emergency management. So about access and control. So one of our most important function is access and control. Our guards ensure the orderly entry and exit of all student staff and visitors. So the following are the things that all of us must follow. So all visitors or students must present their valid ID cards. And visitors must log in or secure a visitor's pass and present their personal ID. So for vehicles, we strictly enforce under chassis inspection and driver's ID presentation, as well as the access pass stickers. So these measures, I hope everyone will understand that these measures are for our own good and are not meant for inconvenience to anyone, but to ensure that only authorized individuals are inside our campus. So for surveillance and monitoring, don't you know that our office operates 24/7? The DRRMO marshals, as well as the guards on duty, monitor our CCTV cameras. So that's 24 hours. And then they do conduct regular patrols and roving operations and are charged for emergency alarm systems. So when all of you are asleep, always remember that there are eyes and ears monitoring for the safety of our campus at night. This surveillance system allows us to act quickly and prevent untoward incidents before they escalate. Now, in incident response and emergency handling, in the event of an accident, our security personnel are trained to respond immediately. We prepare and submit incident reports and maintain threat assessments and enforce emergency protocols. And apart from that, most importantly, we coordinate with local law enforcement authorities for collaboration, investigation, and reporting. For investigation and documentation, our guards are tasked with conducting the on-ground investigation of incidents. They prepare detailed reports, validate events, and ensure proper documentation. They also enforce university policies as prescribed in the student manuals, such as your enforcement of the proper haircut, proper attire, proper uniform, and etc. So this makes sure that order and discipline are maintained within the campus. Now, for communication awareness, communication, as all of us know, that it is vital in security operations. Our guards prepare situational reports, as what I've mentioned a while ago, and these situational reports are done 4 times every day, twice daytime and then another 2 times at night. This The purpose of this is to cover the respective areas of responsibility and then give update. We also coordinate closely with university authorities and inform the students and personnel about campus policies. So all of us knows that we are the frontliners. Our guard help enforce the student code of conduct and promote awareness on rules and regulation of the campus. About routine and preventive security measures, beyond incident response, our office is proactive and ensuring safety. We conduct regular patrols and security drills. If you are a senior student, you can attest that we conducted security drills such as bombing, hostage taking, and then mass shooting drills, mga preventive measures pertaining to those kind of incident. We do also manage lost and found items, implement measures for cyber security and digital safety. These preventive measures mentioned are our efforts to reduce risks and to ensure a safe and environment which is good for everyone. About post-incident review, finally, after every incident, we conduct a post-incident review. During that time, naga-meeting yan kami and then we ask all the involved parties as well as our stakeholders about any eventuality. So this involves security audit, risk assessment, and additional training for our security. So we always update them and we invite agencies na pwedeng mag-update sa ating mga security guards. Okay? So, in closing, the Campus Security Service as well as the Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, we are here to protect and serve and support the ZPPSU community. With your cooperation, we can maintain a safe and orderly and peaceful environment for learning growth. Once again, uh, please coordinate with us all the time and also abide with the laws and rules and regulations of our university, then wala tayong problem. So, thank you, and I look forward to working with all of you in keeping our university safe. Salamat.